How to recover data from a dead hard drive step-by-step tutorial. Why your hard drive becomes dead. Your thumb drive could become dead due to various factors, from physical damage to electrical surges, improper handling, etc. How to recover data from dead hard drive. The fastest and most reliable way to recover a dead thumb drive is by using the best data recovery software, Eassiy Data Recovery. The tool boasts a high success rate of 98.6%, allowing you to recover over 1,000 types of lost data from more than 2,000 types of storage devices within a few clicks. Download and install Eassiy Data Recovery software on your Mac or PC. Run the installed program on your computer and connect the USB stick. After Eassiy Data Recovery detects the hard drive, select it and click Scan and wait for the tool to perform a quick scan recovery process. After it has completed the quick scan, all detected data will be displayed on your screen. Preview them to confirm their quality. Finally, preview and recover your device data to complete the operation. Select the Recover button and wait for the program to automatically recover all your files. That's it. That's how easy you can recover your data from a dead USB flash drive or hard drive. Remember to subscribe to our channel to see more useful videos like this.